Meet Sarah. 5 years ago, she opened Rise and Grind, a cafe with her unique vision, artisanal coffee in a cozy, creative space where entrepreneurs could connect. Business boomed. Sarah needed help. She hired managers, baristas, a social media team, and a website designer, all without clearly defining what Rise and Grind truly meant. Her marketing manager went upscale, targeting luxury customers. The social media team went quirky and irreverent. The website designer created a minimal, tech-forward look. Her in-store manager pushed for a family-friendly atmosphere. Soon, Rise and Grind wasn't one brand, it was 5 different brands. Customer confusion grew, sales declined, Sarah's passion project became unrecognizable. What could Sarah have done differently? She needed brand pillars, the core elements that define a brand's identity and soul. With clear brand pillars, Sarah would have defined her brand vision, core values, brand voice, and customer avatar before delegating. Her team would have understood that Rise and Grind stood for creative community, accessible innovation, and authentic connection. Instead of fragmentation, every team member would have built upon the same foundation, creating a coherent brand that grew stronger with every touchpoint. Don't let your vision get diluted. Define your brand pillars first, then watch your authentic brand thrive, no matter who helps build it.